Good morning, everybody. We are here. Snow is coming. Watch out, ladies and gentlemen. Snow in Ohio. Who would have guessed? Who do we have first in the chat today? We have got Slayer. Slayer saying good morning to Nick. So you guys, I don't know why Streamlabs isn't catching up with all my chat here. I have no idea who was first in the chat. Slayer JC, what's going on, man? Dark Bro Slayer, Dark Bro Slayer, Dark Bro Slayer. We got Dark Bro Slayer, Moji, Slayer, Moji, Dark Bro Slayer, Scastonify, J Bones, not JB, J Bones, Dark Bro Slayer, Scastonify Slayer, Dark Bro, Moji, Slayer, Scastonify Slayer, Moji, Skystonify. We've got Slayer, J Bones, Skystonify Slayer, Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile, Slayer, Skystonify. We've got Slayer, Moji, Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile, Moji, J Bones, J Bones, J Bones. We've got Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile, J Bones, Slayer, Scastonify, Moji, Dark Bro, Slayer, Dark Bro. We've got Scastonify, Slayer, Dark Bro, Moji, Slayer, Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile. We've got J Bones, Dark Bro, Moji, Outdoor Slayer, Moji, Outdoor Slayer, CD Wit, Slayer, Moji, CD Wit, Dark Bro, CD Wit, Outdoor, CD Wit, J Bones, Outdoor, J Bones, Dark Bro, and Slayer. What's going on, everybody? Glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out right now because we've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $5.32. It is down slightly to down 0.25% today. It's $5.32. Not a terrible day overall. Giving back some of the gains that it had earlier, but nonetheless, man, the overall market curling back over a little bit. We can look at that in a second here. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.57, down 0.69% right now. GameStop sitting in the bottom right, up 0.35% of the day, $20.30 per share. Bitcoin sitting very, very, very stagnant right now. Bitcoin not moving all around at all. $23,021 per coin, sitting at 0.17% lower on the day. The NASDAQ up and down, gapping up, looking good on that gap up. And this is running into resistance and pulling back at that horizontal level of resistance that we saw there. So you guys remember we talked about if it breaks up out of this channel, which it did, potentially running into resistance at this 11,500 range. That's exactly what happened today. Pulling back down off of it right now, coming back down a little bit, still up 0.81% of the day, but down off those intraday highs around the morning that we had there at 11,500. So I don't know how far back we'll pull or if we do end up breaking up, but nonetheless, hey, it's still a bullish day, guys. We're pulling back a little bit, yes, but we're still up 0.83%. BR Therapeutics sitting at $4.43 per share. AMC break even right now, 533. Ethereum is down 1%. Shiba is down 0.5%. Doge is down 0.5%. Bitcoin down a slight percent. Sundial sitting at 265. Mullen Auto down 6% to 32 cents today. CEI $1.98. SPY sitting at 402. BBIG 62 cents. Highcraft Mining 60 cents. Netflix $363. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 17,000 points per coin. QQQ 290. Not bad on the QQQ. Rolling up over the last couple of minutes there. And Ape sitting at $1.77, up 1.23% on the day. Not doing too bad over there, but looks like a mixed day today so far. We're gonna have to see how it plays out. 24-year-old male, dark skin, 6 foot with red hoodie and mask. PWL, bull, please something. I have no idea what's going on right now. I guess who's late? Late again. Clay is late. Tell a friend. Outdoor Smile, I was not late today, man. I was not late. I clicked it at noon, dude. I went right on at noon. Let's see. Slayer JC is first. Slayer JC first in the chat, baby. Nice, Slayer. Good morning, Lorenzo. Hello, peoples. What's going on, Lorenzo? Glad to have you in here. Slayer, loving that salt. Oh, yes. Hey, what do you think about H-Bar crypto? You know what? Peace, love. Never really got into H-Bar. H-Bar was really popular back in the bull market that we had going on. A lot of people asking about it. We can pull it up real quick, but I've never been into H-Bar, man. So let's see what H-Bar's got going on recently. Quant not doing too bad, still at $150, down 2% today. Let's see. H-Bar. Hedera, up 7% on the day. $1.7 billion market cap, $56 million in volume today. And overall, see, very popular during that last bull market that we had, absolutely. Going from lows of around a penny up to 50 cents. Can you guys just imagine 50xing your money? My gosh, man. I cannot wait for this next bull market to take place. It's going to be absolutely ridiculous. We're going to make so much money. It's going to be insane. It's literally not even going to be funny when we make 50x, 100x, 300x gains during the next bull market, man. My goodness. The market cap rolling up there to $7 billion. Now, it does seem like they have diluted the supply since then because well, you know what? No, 7x gain. Yeah, just slightly. They've diluted just slightly, okay? But still, doesn't look that bad. Curling back up a little bit right now to about 7 cents. So, you know what? 7 on 7, that's actually pretty close. They may have not diluted too much since then. 7 times 7, yeah, they're right around there, actually. So, not a huge difference if they did dilute. They didn't dilute it by much. Hedera, yes, could do very nice during the next bull market. I would love to see a 10x gain in it. But, hey, if it drops down even more, dude, and you're sitting on potential for 50x gains, my gosh, those are nice. 50x gains are incredible. But I don't know anything about Hedera. I don't know Hedera, whatever, however you say their coin. I don't know what their project is, what they do, anything like that. H-bar, I just know, is popular. It's still a large coin with over $1 billion valuation. And for some reason, you know, it's got a bigger valuation than Terra Luna Classic, but Terra Luna Classic is currently more popular. Lorenzo, Claybro, all you guys, boom, hit the daggone like button. You bunch of crazies. Listen to J Bones, man. Hit that like button, you bunch of crazies. I don't know what you're doing right now, but there should be 30 likes with 20 people in here. Afternoon, bros and broettes. Tony D, how you doing, man? You owe me that salty shaker. There was a salt shaker? Was there a salt shaker? I don't even know if there was a salt shaker today, man. Was there a salt shaker? Or when did I owe you a salt shaker from? I don't even know. Do I owe you one? Dude, I don't know. If I owe you one, what do? You pour the salt out on the table and you throw it over your shoulder because it tastes so good, you gotta... But every time it gets in your eyes and it stinks, man. It stinks. Slayer JC, man. I don't know if I owe you or not, but you got it there, man. Perfect. Hey, bro. What's going on? Jan Snoo, man. How you doing, Jan Snoo? What is Glowstone and why buy? Outdoor Smile. Glowstone, very, very small coin. $70,000, $80,000 market cap. We can check it out here in 2 seconds. Why buy? I mean, because it's a very low market cap if you want it. I don't own any Glowstone. I actually followed Glowstone on Twitter today, and if they follow me back, I'll be able to send them a message. If they don't follow me back, I won't be able to send them a message. But if they follow me back, I don't know. I'll see if they want to do some, since a lot of people in here are actually interested in Glowstone, I'm going to try and see if they want to do some sort of a Glowstone giveaway during some of the live streams, see if you guys can get some free Glowstone. But I don't know. I don't know if I plan on buying any Glowstone. It's got an extremely small market cap, man. Let's see if we can pull it up here. Market cap yesterday was like $75,000. That's very, very low. And it's one of those, like, you know, just hold a couple bucks, and if it ever does anything, you guys are going to be rich. But what they do, man, they're trying to burn Terra Luna Classic. So they're trying to make themselves known in the Terra Luna Classic community the same way Lunatics Token made themselves known in the Terra Luna Classic community. $85,000 market cap right now. It is up 10% on the day. 4,000 volume traded over the last 24 hours. Extremely low volume. And a fully diluted market cap of $116,000. But, you know, nonetheless, man, it's still a very, 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 very small coin. At any given time, man, these guys could give up. And that's the problem with running such a small coin and investing in such a small coin, is that at any given time, it could just die out. But nonetheless, man, if it ever, how easy would it be to double your money and just touch $150,000 market cap? You get 10x and you're sitting at an $800,000 market cap. You 100x and you're only at an $8 million market cap. Like, the potential from there is just stupid. How much it could go up and still have very, very, very small market caps compared to the overall crypto market. Let's see. Like 2 years, $500 billion a month. Very nice. There you go. Thanks. Is it worth a $300? Listen, dude, $300. You could be like whale status in Glowstone with $300. $800 gets you a like 1% stake in the entire coin. So you're going to be sitting on a 0.5% of all of the coins outstanding. If it ever turned into anything on 300, dude, you'd be a massive whale with 0.5% of the entire supply. So it is completely up to you if you guys want to invest in it. But, yeah, I don't know. Usually when I see coins try to, you know, attach themselves to another community, like the Shib burner tokens that burn Shiba Inu coin, and Ryoshi Vision that was going to burn Shiba Inu coin, and all of these coins that come out wanting to burn Shiba Inu coin. Meta, for example, was another one. They cannot garner the same popularity as the coin they're trying to help. So I don't know if it's going to be successful or not. It is an absolute guess, gamble, you know, try. But dude, an $80,000 market cap, if it turns into anything, it's going to be massive gains. Let's see. Hi, Clay. Do you start at 9 every day? Samantha, yes. So you're in California, start at 9 a.m. every day during the week. No live streams on the weekend. I go from 9 to 10 for you, and then I also have an afternoon live stream that would be from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. for you. So yes, during the week, nothing on the no live streams on the weekend, but videos on the weekend. What up, brother? Great channel from Ohio, Bob Johnson. I like it, man. You could be my neighbor, man. Who knows? Until now, my tube said it won't let get in. Why, Samantha? Why can't you get in? Everybody should be able to get in. Look at YouTube, man, trying to hold people away. Don't ever withhold Samantha from a YouTube. Come on now. 4K in volume is yeah, dude. Wouldn't it be hilarious if 4K in volume was from the bros? Since we've talked about it over the last couple of days here, and people have gone in and bought and sold and ran the volume up to like 3x, 4x what it was yesterday. I think Glowstone, man. You guys can tag me on Twitter with Glowstone if you want, but I followed them today. If they follow back, I'm gonna try and get you guys some giveaways and talk about it. Because, dude, I don't know. We're talking about it in the live streams. I figure they should hook us up. They're sitting on a bag. They still got 30%. They're withholding from people. 71. What is it? 71 trillion coins outstanding. Yeah, 71 trillion coins out of the 100 trillion that are out there. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Give me 1 trillion coins and I'll talk about them all day. Heck yeah. Let's see. Saw your message. That's awesome. The Luna Classic rewards are earned daily at 6%. Very nice. I got beef with Lunatic. Oh, no. There's another... Well, I don't have too much beef with them. What do they do? Let's see. How's it going? It works. Won't be able to chat much. Hope everyone is having a great day. Declan, hope you're having a great day as well. Thank you very much for being in here. Appreciate everybody that's just chilling and listening at work right now. Even if you can't type too much, thank you guys very much for coming in, supporting the channel, clicking the like button, and having some fun. Everyone on YouTube is on their thing, and nobody is talking about Glow. It's crazy, isn't it, man? Yeah, Glowstone needs to step it up, man. Glowstone needs to step it up. Let's get some giveaways going. Let's get the bros happy here. Simonino, what's happening, Simonino? How you doing, man? Greetings from Diego Garcia Island. I have no idea where Diego Garcia Island is. Mr. Simon, let's see where Diego Garcia Island is. Diego Garcia Island in the Indian Ocean. Let's see. Ooh, it's a nice little island. Dude, I know for a fact you're not in Diego Garcia. Where do the people of Diego Garcia go? I don't know where they went, but now I want to know. Can I visit Diego Garcia? Access data is only permitted to those with connections either to the military facility or the territory's administration. No, Simon, are you involved in the Diego Garcia military, man? You're not in Diego Garcia. I know you're not, man. Because it says you can't even visit. Access to Diego Garcia is only permitted to those with connections either to the military facility or to the territory's administration. There are no medical facilities in the territory. Interesting. It does look nice, though, man. Diego Garcia Island? Interesting. No houses. We get some sort of a military base here. Dude, this island looks pretty sick, though. I mean, you guys got to admit, this island looks pretty... It's like an island with a big lake in the middle of it. Like, look at this, man. That's a sweet island. It's a very weird island. That water looks deep inside, don't it? How did she go? How did Nikki go to Diego Garcia? What kind of connection does she have to the administration on Diego Garcia? And why is Nikki going there? Do they get freaking submarines in Diego Garcia? Alright, now I need to figure out who this Nikki girl is and why she went to Diego Garcia when nobody else is allowed to go. What the heck, man? What the heck? I don't know what's going on. Patrick! Slayer be slaying that first place. Oh, yes. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the authorized hydration. And thank you very much, Slayer, for being first in the chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. You guys are awesome. You all know the easiest way to get glowstone on MetaMask. Pancake swap, I guess, is the easiest way. Let's see. There you go, man. You can go check that out. Dark Bros channel. Samantha. I'm just talking about a different token. My main man, Paul. Have you seen Damar? You guys talking about that football player? You had me fooled. Samantha, me, or somebody else. I don't ever want to fool you. I don't ever want to fool you. Looks sweet. Boring. Chase Goonie birds, a great scuba and snorkeling. Yeah, but I can't go, man. I don't have any connections to the military down there. BWO, we put on a bolo for him. Tell me, have you seen him? Tell me, have you seen him? I've not seen him. I've actually never even heard about him until all of this stuff on Twitter that I've been seeing. I don't know about these football players, guys. I don't know about these football players. I've never seen him before or after the heart attack. Not seen him at all. Ever. Tectonic. I want to see Tectonic right now. Let's see what Tectonic's doing. I know you guys are in Tectonic here. Let's see where we're going. Tectonic. We'll pull that up so you guys can see it. Tectonic up 5% on the day today, 24.61. Not bad at all, man. Looking like it's getting ready to retest some of those recent highs. If it breaks through 2,500 points per coin, man, you guys could be rolling and ripping to a new recent high all the way up to 4,000 points per coin. That would be lovely if you guys break that and you come back into this area right in here at 4,000 points per coin. Let's see. This guy, 14 hours ago, let's see what he says. Tonic, come on, guys. The chart is screaming manipulation. There isn't even no liquidity. I can't even place a big order like 10,000 USD or anything, let alone. Whales just need that Binance liquidity, and this thing it will go to a $1 billion market cap in less than a month. Oh, wow. Let's see. This is from Binance. One day it will actually be tradable there. I am just happy that you can see it if you search for it. Nice, man. Hey, if you get that Binance liquidity, this guy is saying it's going to go to a $1 billion market cap. He is extremely hopeful. $1 billion market cap, man. That's a 4, and then another 10. That's a 40x increase on a $1 billion market cap. During the next bull market, it would not be impossible if you guys want to get in now. If this Julio Martinez 27,955 is correct, you guys are sitting there 40x. And now I don't know if Julio Martinez is going to be correct or not. But if he is, he's a very optimistic man. Let's see, there's a military base underwater there. There are mermaids in that military base. Mr. Simon, you and I need to go, dude. You and I need to... Simon, you and I are going to... We're going to embark on a journey this summer. We will document it so you guys can watch it. But Simon and I'm going to meet up with him out there in Cali. And then we're going to get a boat. We're going to buy a little boat. We're going to go. We're going to sail through the Indian Ocean. And then we're going to go find this Diego Garcia. And we are going to free the mermaids that are in there. And I can guarantee you, man, if we find a mermaid, it is going to be epic. We might actually get 1,000 views. if we find a mermaid, it is going to be beautiful. Simon, are you in or are you in? I need to know right now. Could you imagine if we did? If we all, like, I think if maybe me and Simon might not be able to do it. I don't have any sailing experience. But could you imagine if we got together this summer and it was like, that was our summer vacation, man. We made like a 1-month trip through the Indian Ocean off the Pacific coast. And then our goal was to go to Diego Garcia and find the mermaids. Dude, you could document that. People would be like, oh, these bros are crazy. But they did it. Oh, man. But they did it. Simon, you in? We got 55 people in here. I'm pretty sure we can man a ship with 55 people. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Let's see. What do you think about Jasmine? You know what, Giancarlo? I do not own any Jasmine. Jasmine's still got a very large market cap in this bear market. Jasmine has been diluted like crazy, though. So if you're expecting Jasmine to go back to the all-time high prices that it had, it's not going to do that. The good news is that all of the dilution is basically over, so they can't dilute it anymore. The bad news is, you know, the previous price highs may be deceiving. For the mermaids, let's go, Skystonify. We will not get any views. A video would get removed or censored. Mr. Simon, man, well, you're just going to have to move on over to Rumble at that point. We can get 1,000 views on Rumble. Maybe not YouTube. I got selling experience. Let's go. Dark Bro's in, man. Oh, yeah, hold on. He's ready for the mermaids. Skystonify, heck yeah. Can you guys please stop bringing the price of VRA down? MVN, yes. We will definitely stop bringing the price of a VRA down. Verasity is VRA. Let's see where it is today. Dude, Veracity's at a 12% gain today, man. What are you talking about bringing the price down? We're doing good. Veracity is up 12% today. Sitting at $70 million market cap, 006859 on Veracity there. All time, however, it is low. But over the last week, it has been doing very nice. Over the last month, even nicer. So going from 0.0024 to 0.0069 over the last week, over the last month, sorry, looking very good on that chart. And hey, if you want to hit those all-time highs around 8 cents, I hope you get it. Yes, man. It is an Ethereum token, correct? It is an Ethereum token. Let's see. I don't know if they've got it on the Binance Smart Chain or they've got a wrapped version on the Binance Smart Chain or not. But hey, it's up 12.5% today, MB, it's all right. Oh, he goes, yes, but I bought a 0.007. Oh. Well, we'll get it back above 0.007 for you, man. When did you buy it at 0.007? Not in the last month. Did it hit it yesterday? Dude, you're so close to your break even. It's all right. You're right there, man. When did you buy it? Did you buy it like before the last month? Did you buy it last year or did you buy it recently? Hopefully you haven't been sitting on it since like May. May or August would be the only opportunities if you didn't buy it in the last week. And dude, if you break, like, you guys can see this here, right? This would have been your 7-cent opportunity, and then back in May, it would have been a 7-cent opportunity. But, dude, if Veracity breaks up, I'm not going to claim that it's going to, right? Everything's been nice. It's like Bitcoin right now, testing 23,000. If Bitcoin can't break 23,000, I doubt that Veracity is going to break its 7-cent resistance. But the same way Bitcoin's testing these previous levels of resistance at 23, Veracity's testing 7 right now. If it breaks it, dude, you could see a nice run, man. You could see a nice run up to like 1.4 cents or all the way even back up to 2 cents here. You know, you could be moving pretty decent if it does break this level of resistance because you can see here, 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 and there's nothing then in your way until you kind of get to this little area from the beginning of May 2022. It's at about 1.5 cents. And if you break this 1.5 cent mark, dude, you know, you're going back up to 2 cents. So you're going to double or triple your money if you break this level of resistance. You can see a nice run up pretty quickly as well. But it's going to depend on Bitcoin, you know, having a bullish breakout. Oh my gosh. What an idiot, dude. I didn't even have this on the chart. I'm sitting here showing you guys nothing. You know, these levels is what I was pointing at. Here at the resistance, here tapping it, and here tapping it. The next level of resistance if you break up is this area right here at 1.5 cents. And then this major level at 2 cents here. would be your next level. Very sorry that I spent so much time with not even the graph on the screen. Clay's an idiot, Clay's an idiot, Clay's an idiot. Sorry. I have my Bluetooth speaker cranked on the construction site, and other contractors hate me live streaming crypto all day. I need a turkey to make everyone say, WTF was that? Somebody sent a turkey. Man, I can't be giving turkeys out for free and making everybody that works with Tony mad. Tony, thank you very much. And I do want to say, shout out to everybody working on Tony's construction site right now. Listen, you guys might get mad at the guy, but you know he's a hard worker. You know the dude enjoys the crypto talk. You know he enjoys hanging out with us. He is a bro. The only question is, why are you guys not bros? Tony already said that he does all of the work on that construction site, and you guys just sit around eating lunch and talking about things that he doesn't. No, I'm just messing with you. Don't hate Tony, man. Tony's having some fun, and I'm having some fun with Tony right now. Guys, all of Tony's friends, enjoy it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Hang out with us, man. You might as well. Listen, you can't beat us. You can't beat us. So you might as well join us. Let's see. It's not showing on screen. Yeah, DC888, man. That was my bad. I had to bring it back up. Clay, can we talk turkey? Asking for a Pika. She loves the gobble, gobble, gobble. Oh, John Jay, if Pika's in here, we'll do anything that Pika says. Moji, Tony D's allowed. A king turkey for the crew. I love it. Tony D, this one's for you and the crew. Oh my gosh, Tony D, that one's for you right there, man. Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. I'm telling you what, guys, that is a good turkey, and you know it is. I don't even know how I ever figured out how to do that. I just did it one day, man. I just did it. Tim or somebody sent me a turkey, and that's just the first thing that came to my mind. Now it's an absolute classic. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika. Oh yes, John Jay. The only one I've seen was the Blue Mermaid at Aquaric Cove in the Bay Area. Oh man, Samantha's seen a mermaid. Now we need to get on this. Having some fun with Tony. Oh yes, we better be having some fun with Tony. Come on now. Ambien, you like it? Geez, Clay, you scared the poo-poo out of me. Well, you know what, Simon? That's why you gotta be paying attention, man. You gotta be paying attention. You hear that turkey and you're not paying attention, it's gonna get you. Pudge Brow, what's going on? It's crazy, Samantha. It is very crazy. You like boys, huh? Well, Tony is my boy, Marcin. Oh, yes. Lorenzo. Thank you very much. I am getting hungry, Lorenzo. And I love burgers, dude. Thank you very much for the cheeseburger there. Delicious, man. Lorenzo, appreciate that super sticker. Thank you guys very much for it. Dark Bro comment. No ignore, no ignore, no ignore. What did Dark Bro say? I gotta go see it, man. Good morning, Sam. Heck yeah. Where's Dark Bro? I don't even see him there. Clay Bro, we need a poll. Read my previous comment. Tony D, tell him join us at the Pointless to resist the bro side. Something, yes. That was your previous one. DD214, I'll make it after the live. Yes, Dark Bro. Clay, we need a poll for my bro coin. My offer for bro coin. My offer for you is one free peanut kick. One free peanut kick to start bro coin, or no peanut kick equals no bro coin. What now? What, like, I am the receptor of a peanut kick? I don't want a peanut kick. Why would I want to start bro coin if I'm going to get kicked? What is happening right now? That turkey was mad or being chased. That turkey was mad, DD214. That turkey was mad. You know why? Neither do I. I don't understand turkey's emotions. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Hey, bro, Lambo? Yes, man. Nah, when Diego Garcia Island Fund. Dude, could you imagine? Diego Garcia Island Fund would be so sweet, man. We got to go to Diego Garcia, and we got to authorize that hydration in the middle of the island lake. Like, it's just a big lake island. Authorized hydration hits different after a turkey. I'm telling you guys, it ain't easy. No, I'm the receptor. Dude, it has never been a goal of mine to kick somebody's peanut. No, it is not, man. No, it is not. Slayer, no F-bombs. Yes, no F-bombs. No. I won't read it. I mean, I don't even know if YouTube lets it go through. I don't think that they do. Thanks, Moji. Heck yeah. Tony D, loving it, man. Hopefully those guys are having a good day today. All good, Jay, for sure. Can't wait for a Vibrance to burn Terra Luna Classic. Boom, Luna to the moon. Peace, love. What is Vibrance, man? Is Vibrance another token that they've got coming out? Or explain this Vibrance to us really quick, please. New standard of crypto success. Yes. Forget the Lambo, man. Diego Garcia Island. That is the new standard of success in the crypto space. When you 1000x, they give you access to Diego Garcia Island. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. You need to have access to the. Okay, you guys are like Brocoin utility, man. You buy Brocoin, then when Brocoin gets to a certain level, it's your pass, man. You guys remember those little coins that they had in John Wick that you could go to that hotel and it's like a safe zone? Yeah, dude, we could just get enough money in Brocoin that anybody holding over a certain percentage or all of the bros have access to Bro Island. How do we buy Bro Island? Because we started Brocoin. We raised like $10-20 million. We bought an island. Hey, maybe we buy it off Mr. Beast. Who knows? We buy an island, and then, dude, you've got access to Bro Island if you own Brocoin. It's the only way to get in, man. Only way to get in. You might need whitelisted or something. We got to figure out who you are, and you can't just transfer it right afterwards. But yeah, dude, could be something very cool. Diego Island idea inspired by Pat 12B, man. Perfect, Pat. You're a genius, dude. Well, we're gonna make something like that happen. Let's see. A BCB is doing good. I bought in at 0.003. It's at 0.0. Ooh, tripled his money. BCB. I don't know what BCB is, do I? Blockchain bets. No, I never heard of blockchain bets, man. Well, doing very well today, dude. Let's see if you should be selling blockchain bets today. $11 million market cap, up 78% on the day, on $3.5 million being traded today alone. That is a huge increase in volume. All-time graph. Okay, it just came out January 6th. Blockchain bets just came out 20 days ago. Did really nothing over the last couple of weeks. Volume is actually not bad. The volume has been very high since the beginning. I don't know if these are bots trading back and forth on this newly created token or what the deal is, but $1 million plus in volume every day. Volume increasing and the price is increasing, going from 0.002 to 0.0. It's a 5x increase from these levels, man. 0.002 up to 0.012. You're 6xing over the last, 20 days here. Now, of course, this is getting enticing. A lot of people might start buying in, and then, boosh, they turn around and trade off on it. I have no idea what these guys are doing. It seems like it may be some sort of a gambling crypto site. Blockchain bets, one stop for decentralized sports betting and online casinos. Play your favorite games, and yeah, there you go. So it is some sort of a casino type deal. Blockchain bets, who the heck knows if it's legit or not, but nonetheless, they've got a casino out there, and the coin is up 6x over the last 10-15 days. So watch it, guys. Watch it. They created a World Cup Inu that went 40 million market cap from under 100,000 cap, and that was just to last for the World Cup, and it only took 2 months or less. Oh, hey man, some of these guys like this. Great project, huge potential. It's already showing big signs with the mega. And look, man, I don't know if these guys are in on the project or not. Seems like they like it. They're bullish. 80% gain, you can't deny it, man. An 80% gain is an 80% gain. Completely up to you. It's brand new if you're going to keep in. Let us know. What are you doing, man? Are you staying in? Is Brocoin worth $300? Yes, let me say this. If Brocoin does come out, Brocoin would be worth a $300 investment. I don't know if Brocoin will come out or not. There's a lot involved with creating a coin and creating utility and tying yourself to it. As soon as it goes down, people are going to hate you, all that good stuff. But yeah, that I would be much more, not hesitant, right? But cautious, I guess. If I did Brocoin, I would want Brocoin to be worth doing. Brocoin is something that I would want to say, yeah, mom, dad, I'm going to give it my shot. If you guys want to invest in something like that, then you could do it. And dude, I would try my absolute best at that point to make it worth something. I don't know how I'm going to get to 1K, but I will. Let's do it, man. Yo, I try. Everyone thinks I'm crazy. I got a few coworkers to buy, and they lost. So they think it's a scam. Web3 is where it's at. Keep trying to bring it. Yeah, you know what, Tony D? Anybody that has gotten into cryptocurrency in the last year and a half is going to think it's a scam. They're going to think it's terrible, right? They really are. And that's almost impossible to overlook. Crypto has had a very difficult, the stock market has had a very difficult year and a half. If you go back before that and you show what a bull market does and how everything is a scam to the upside, it does not matter what it is. People are ripping gains. You know, maybe they can see it, maybe they can't because they didn't partake in it. But, dude, some of this stuff, like, I had Ravencoin. I was mining Ravencoin at a penny and a half, 2 cents. That bad boy shot up to 28 cents. I had Zcash. I rode Zcash down heavy in 2017. I never really intended on selling the coins that I mine because I like the anonymity and the fact that nobody knows that I own them. But you got Zcash, man. Zcash was $700, okay, and it fell heavy down to like $18 during the 2020 lows. But then it shoots up to $300 a coin. $18 to 300, man, you're 15xing on a coin that nobody really even knows about. Shiba Inu coin is like a lottery ticket type of a move, dude. You can't expect $1 million gains on $2 investments. But you could name any coin right now. I could go pull the chart up, and if you look at the previous bull market or the previous 2 bull markets, insanity in the amount of money that people made during that time. And it's across the board. I would guarantee you could name any coin, or we could go down and pick random coins out of the list of them, and you would see 10 to 50x gains during the previous bull market. It wouldn't even matter which coin it is. It's just across the board. People are buying like maniacs. They really are, man. I'll probably pee all over yourself. I have no idea what's going on right now, man. Somebody's peeing all over themselves. Let's see. I can find a way to get 1,000. Let's do it, Mr. Brian. Just imagine the sweet taste of success, Clay, bro, when Brocoin comes out and we are all millionaires and Brocoin is the standard for crypto. Dude, could you imagine if for some reason it was and like we were as popular as Sam Bankman-Fried and Shiba Inu coin, and everybody's talking about it. Bro coin, the only coin in the cryptocurrency space that has a little bit of integrity and it doesn't lie. There's no scams associated with it. Sure, it may have started out as a meme coin, but I'm telling you right now, there are no developers. There is no access to the liquidity pool. There's nobody that can rug this thing. So people are flocking to it. Much depends on what you use. I already checked max price. It's 5K something. Let's see. In a startup. Yes, I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about tech, developer, utility supports. Any coin. PooCoin. Devil's Advocate. There is a PooCoin, man. PooCoin's actually a pretty useful website as well, man. It really is. Devil's Advocate, what's going on? Hey, bro, on the live. Hydration authorized for myself. Pre-workout drink. That's what I'm talking about. 2025. What's your pre-workout of choice, Sean? What's your pre-workout of choice, man? Let me know. Let's see. I think if we see life-changing financial blessing, accumulate, hold, and take profit as able. Sean, I love it, man. I think that Avalanche can go back to the $100 price. Giancarlo, yes, if they haven't diluted. I don't know where Avalanche is at right now and what their market cap looks like. If they haven't diluted, then yes, dude. I think that all of these coins can go back and hit new highs during the next bull market. Let's see if we got them on here. 18 Avalanche all-time 100 plus. We are down. Market cap looks relatively the same, dude. So let's see. Circulating supply 314. So here's the thing. If they do come out with the remaining 350 million coins or 400 million coins that they can come out with, it's going to be very difficult. Okay, it's going to be very difficult to reach these previous market cap highs at a $100 price. If they don't release the other 400 million coins, which I don't know what the release structure looks like or why they release coins, but yeah, I think that these guys can 5x during the next bull market, man. I really do. You know, if they can go from $3, $2, $3 to 150, they can absolutely go back up during the next bull market. It's just, I don't know. If they dilute it with the remaining coins, it will be very difficult to get back to a $100 price point. Let's see. At a bonfire crypto in day 3, $200 ran up to about $1,000 or more, rode to 40,000. It dumped to 0. Never sold. Lesson learned. Franchise. Good. Not good that you wrote it up and wrote it down and all that stuff, but good that the lesson has been learned, right? Because there's a lot of people that haven't learned that lesson yet. Let me make that very clear. A lot of you guys think that it sucked that you got in cryptocurrency or stocks back in 2021 when things were doing very well. And it may suck because things did go down shortly after getting in. You may have wrote it up a little bit and now we're down, right? But you have a taste of reality. You have a taste that these gains are not forever, and bull and bear market cycles actually happen. So the next bull market cycle that takes place, look, if people are going to be trying to call the tops, okay? They really will. Nobody's going to get it perfect. Nobody's going to know where the top is. And the thing that we're going to have to remember is we don't need to hit the top. You know, if you're sitting on a 30, 40, 50x gain, okay, great. You could have had a 60, 70, 80x gain. That would have been awesome. That would have been awesome if you timed it perfectly. But when the next bear market takes place, and your 30, 40, 50x gain starts to turn into a 10, 5, 2x gain, you're going to kick yourself for not having gotten out at the 30, 40, 50x gain. And maybe you don't reach $1 million during the next bull market. Maybe it takes you 1 or 2 more bull markets to become an absolute beast, right? Who cares if it takes you an additional 5 or 10 years to literally hit, generational money where your kids' kids don't have to work if they don't want to. Please make them work, though, man. They got to learn some form of responsibility. Like, they don't have to go out and work for some job that they hate. But dude, make sure you don't have just, these trust fund kids are growing up. They got whatever they want. They can do whatever they want. No, man, make them earn it. Don't be afraid to make them earn it. But nonetheless, who cares if 2025 rolls around and instead of having $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 invested by the time 2025 hits, the bull market's here, you 50x that, you're sitting on $2.5 million. Who cares if that's not the case? Who cares if 2025 rolls around and your $500, $1,000, $2,500 is what 10, 20, 30x is, and you end that bull market with 50, 60, 100, 120, $150,000. Dude, you are good. You are solid at that point, man, for forever. Conservatively invest it. Wait till the next bull market, and it's going to be game on, dude. Let's see. A bucked up pre-workout is solid. Never had bucked up pre-workout, man. Where you get bucked up? Online only or what? Bros, I'm going back to work for a few days for the first time since the accident. Wish me luck so I don't cut myself in half with a 3-foot chainsaw that I got to use. My God, Skystonify, please. Please don't cut yourself in half, dude. Please don't cut yourself in half. That would be terrible, man. That's not luck. Like, you don't need luck to not do that. Just please don't cut yourself in half. Maybe we could find an OG coin with a good development team, low market cap, make a deal with them, rebrand it, and then broke old rounder. That's also a choice there. Now, see, the difference is, though, a lot of these coins, they do require development teams. You have to sit on your own blockchain and all of that. If you truly have just a token, if you just create a token out there, like Shiba Inu coin, okay? Shiba Inu coin without the ecosystem, nobody can do anything to it. It's just a coin that exists, and that's all that existed back in 2021 when it was running up in price. You can't make any changes to the taxes. Good. You can't make any changes to liquidity pools. Good. You can't get rugged. You can't do anything to it except create a reason for people to buy it. And I kind of like that simplicity in the token life as opposed to just we got to make sure these developers are happy. We got to make sure they're paid. All of that stuff can really add up to problems as well. Let's see. I gotta figure out MetaMask to get Jasmine. Pudgy, very good. Jasmine also available, I believe, on KuCoin. If you want to get it on KuCoin, bro, I can do what I want. Razi, absolutely, man. The bull market is around the corner. Project Moon, heck yeah. Bones is the bull market, and they say, he says, see you in July. Oh yes, man, dude. If we get a bull market starting in July, I'm gonna be happy, man, this summer. No, man, kids have to learn to go through hard times to learn how to be humble. When I become a millionaire, and if one day I have kids, I will put them to work for a few years so they can appreciate life. Oh yeah, no, dude, I absolutely agree with that, right? They definitely have to go. They definitely have to work. They have to understand that money isn't free. They have to understand that, you earn something, and so on. The last thing that you would want your kids to do or your grandkids to do is, if you made $10 million, right, and you set up your trust fund and all, the last thing that you would want them to do is, end that legacy. The last thing that you would want them to do is spend that money and have nothing to show for it. that would be terrible, man. You would want to make sure that you taught those kids that they can turn that 10 million then into 100 million, and their kids can turn it into 50 million, and then their kids can turn it back into 100 million. So you want to make sure these kids know what they're doing. Where we at, guys? I'm going to catch back up. So just thanking all for being here. I've been in crypto for almost 2 years, and it's a lonely road. Everyone in my circle isn't interested in crypto, so live stream helps. You know what, Tony D? I feel you on that one, man. I feel you on that one. And that's not to say that they won't be interested in crypto one day, but it does take a certain level of risk tolerance to be interested in cryptocurrency. Why? Because it's brand new, it's unregulated. The stuff that they hear on the news, the stuff that they see in the headlines with Sam Bankman-Fried scamming people and the government not regulating it, they're painting a very bad picture for it. If they read these articles, oh my goodness, drug dealers, they just use cryptocurrency. They don't use cash anymore. It's just crypto is so bad. Of course they wouldn't like it if that's all they know about, but they're going to like it during the next bull market, dude. I don't know what kind of portfolio you're sitting on, but they're going to like it in the next bull market when you 10, 20, 30x your money, man, and you're sitting on some massive gains, and they're going to wish that they would have done so. I have to wake them up 4 a.m. every day until they get tired of it and learn how hard life is. Simon, do you wake up at 4 a.m. every day? Gosh, man, if you wake up at 4 a.m. every day, that's crazy. Come back down here. Clearbro Man Shibarium is the talk of the town. But do you know any other chain updates coming soon worth looking into? You know what, Lorenzo? Not as big as layer 2 blockchain development. Okay, Shibarium is the only, and that might not be the case, but it's just the only one I know about at the moment, where a layer 2 blockchain is potentially being developed and released soon. We've been told soon for well over a year now. And this is just the beta release that is going to be coming out. So I really don't know, man, if any other layer 2 blockchains are being developed right now or anything like that. But I'm just hoping that Shibarium does live up to the hype, yes. Wait, when will you come back to TikTok? I don't fit in here. Samantha, you definitely fit in here. I'm telling you right now, you fit in. I go live on TikTok just sporadically. I don't have a set schedule. I was on TikTok 3 or 4 days ago, I think, maybe over the weekend it was. I'm not exactly sure when it was now. But yeah, it's just sporadic when I go on TikTok. I don't have a set schedule over there. I do have a set schedule over here, but Samantha, you definitely, listen, you will learn to keep up, but trust me when I tell you, even if you feel like you can't keep up right now, we appreciate having everybody in here, especially people who don't feel like they can keep up, because it means you've got a lot to learn, and you can absolutely learn it here. These people, if they're talking and talking and talking and you have no idea what they're talking about, please just ask, because there's a lot of good people in here that if I miss the question or something, they will absolutely want to help you figure out the answer to it. I don't know what it is, Samantha. I don't know what it is. There's a lot of good people in here. I don't know how we attracted so many good people, but you got a lot of good people in here that really want to see the best for everybody. We should talk on Discord and hash out a tentative business plan. I am ready to branch out my investments, Brocoin to Diego Island. Let's go, man. My gosh, dude. Hey, if you guys are dead serious about Brocoin, we could end up starting something like that. I like the timing on it, too. If we would be getting in near a bear market bottom and embracing ourselves for a nice bull market run. That would be incredible. Yes, wake up before every. That's why I wanna be a millionaire, so I don't have to wake up that early every day. Yeah, Mr. Simon, I feel you, man. I feel you. I don't wake up at 4 a.m. I used to wake up very early, but nah, man, 4 a.m., dude. If it's dark out. I don't know why. I don't know why people are awake when it's dark outside. What's going on? Joyce just got here. Just starting to look at the markets today. I want Shib to make me a 100,000-aire. Joyce, I absolutely hope that Shiba makes you a 100,000-aire. Seems realistic to me. Really does. Sometimes we don't know what we're talking about. That is like, for me, that's true probably 90% of the time in here. Meaning that I know what I'm talking about, but I don't have any idea what you guys are talking about. It's called family. Moji. It is, man. We are bros, guys. It's not just some sort of a stupid crypto bro name. We are family, Moji. I love it. Sarah, green looks good on you. Is Sarah that said 50 Shades of Green in here? I love it. Dark bro. Can you go live with your YouTube channel? Yet I was told I can't go live. I don't meet the requirements. Mr. Simon, you might not be able to go live. I don't know what the subscriber requirements are to go live, but if you're trying to go live just on your phone, you might need more subscribers than going live on like Streamlabs on the computer or something. Oh, 50 subs to go live there. One thing I've learned is everyone is here for everyone. Yes, Sarah does that 50 Shades of Green. It is perfect, man. I'll look at more bits. Do it. Samantha, and you know what? If you're only interested in Doge, that's okay as well. We got very, very selective people in here. 100% ready for Brocoin. I will learn and do as much as I can. Dude, imagine if 65 people were on board, like Dark Bro is on board right now. It would be unstoppable, man. It would be unstoppable. $2,000 to start up, maybe a couple thousand to hash out legal fees if we're fine-tuning some details. Yeah, and I think, I think you're talking a little bit more in the actual coin space as well, as opposed to just tokens. Guys, it's not that bad to create a token. It's not hard, and you just use you can use some of these token generators if you want. It's just finding out the correct liquidity pool size that you got to get out there. Making sure you lock it up if you don't want anybody potentially rugging it or locking it up for a set amount of years and stuff like that. But there is a lot that goes into it, but it can absolutely be done. As soon as my portfolio hits 2.2 million, I'm good. I pay off my rental properties and buy 2 more properties, put them up for rent, sit back on my 10 acres of land and make babies. Boom! Living the dream. Rozzy, that actually does sound like living the dream, man. That sounds like an amazing dream. Thanks, Pat12B. Absolutely. My goal in life is to make $60. All I want to do is send Sarah, Moji, Clay, Pika, D's $10 each for tacos. John J, man. That sounds like a dream come true. I would gladly take $10 worth of tacos, my friend. Especially on Taco Tuesday when they only cost $1. Bro, my brain is a computer. Let's put this thing to work. Yeah, Dark Bro. Plus, if you never sleep, dude, you got plenty of time. My dude could be working all hours of the night, too. Thanks, Mr. Simon. Much love, Mr. Brian. Let's go live. Let's do it. And then let's get a white paper ready for Broca. Man, you guys are on it. Lorenzo is ready as well. I'm a self-employed contractor, so my risk tolerance is good. I don't work. I don't eat. I'm okay with 50% swings. I love it. Yeah, you know what, Tony? There's something to be said about that, man. Self-employed contractors, I love that aspect. Some guys, they want to show up to work and they don't want to work. They just want to make money. Other guys like you, man, if they don't work, they don't make any money. It's perfect. Moji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Guys, only one person grabbed that green name. If you don't have a green name in the chat right now, click on Moji's gift right there. Enable gift receiving and grab your green name. Please do it. Moji with 5 green names. Who do we have? We have Tony D, man, grabbing a green name. Perfect. Tony. Project Moon got a green name. Gorilla Invictus got a green name. Killer Peja got a green name. And Crypto Dreamer got a green name. I love it. Tony D, man, throwing that thank you out there. If you guys are in here right now and you got a green name, please make sure to thank Moji for it. If not, I am definitely thanking Moji for it. And if you guys want to throw out a nice little thank you to Moji as well, just for being the man, you can do it as well, guys. Shout outs to Moji across the board right now. And yes, I don't sleep at all. I'll put these non-work hours to work. There you go, Dark Bro. Productivity, man. Patrick Tarazi making babies. Oh, yes. Razi making babies. Dilly dilly, y'all. I'll hydrate to that. No visuals necessary. We'll take your word for it. Yes, we will, man. We do not need proof, Razi. We do not need proof, unless, of course, you want to send us pictures of your children. That will be fine. But until then, let's get started. Sweet. Thank you, Moji. Crypto Dreamer. Yes, man. KC, way to go, Moji. Thank you very much, KC, for throwing out a thank you there. Welcome, Greenies. D's, man. Thank you for saying welcome to all the new green names out there. Welcome to everybody. Samantha, is your gift enabled? Samantha, if you don't know what he's talking about, if you click on that thing that Moji sent, you should be able you should be able to select gift receiving enabled. And if you do, you can grab a green name. There is a chance that Samantha may have had to leave to clock out already. I do not know. I know she goes to work at 1 o'clock. So she clocks in at 10 for her, so 1 o'clock. So I don't know if she's in here yet or not. But yeah, she got to check and see, man. We got to get Samantha a green name too. Hope it's berry comes out on Valentine's Day. Shiba to the moon. Peace, love. I absolutely hope the same thing. I just want it to be released so we can start talking about what Shibarium is doing, not what we hope Shibarium will do. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Pat says, congrats to all of the new green names. Here's a banana for you. You take that banana, you lick it, and you stick it. You take the hot dog, you dip it. Oh, and when you're done dipping, you shove it. Thank you very much. And proper authorized hydration. Oh, so good. So good. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat. You guys are absolutely killing it today, man. To the hip, to the hop, to the hip, hop. Hippity to the hip, hip, hop. No, don't stop. Don't ever stop, man. Don't do that. John Caruso Supreme. What's going on, man? Clairbo, do you have any rental properties? No, you know what, Razi? I grew up around rental properties, man, but I preferred, and I've been in real estate before, but I flipped houses, okay? I made the decision not to wait for the rental income, but bought a house, sold a house, bought a house, sold a house, and bought the house that I'm in and renovated this one. So I have done, so this is the third. I've done 2 flips and flipped myself into this house right here. So instead of going the rental route, I went the flip route. I preferred the flip route instead of rentals. Rentals, a lot of people think that rentals are extremely passive. I would tend to view otherwise, man. Rentals do take a decent amount of active work. So I put all the work in up front, man. Flip 2 houses and flip myself into this one. No rental properties, so no passive income there. But I mean, dude, I learned more than probably anybody ever should learn about houses and stuff like that. And absolutely extremely beneficial. And I mean, dude, really, it was an amazing thing to do. I would recommend if you've got the guts to do it, I recommend you do it. Later, y'all. Got to get back to work. D's, enjoy it. We're leaving in 2 minutes anyway. Project Moon membership milestone is how long you have been a bro. You get a free super chat. There you go. Yes. Project Moon should have a couple. Yeah, Project Moon should have a couple free member chats though. He's got that purple icon. Nice video, Dark Bro. Thanks. Heck yeah. Very nice. Dark Bro, getting some compliments. I like it. Moon, every month on your anniversary date of brohood, you get a member milestone chat, which is like a super chat. Heck yeah, man. 1 month membership or 1 year membership milestone, you get airdropped 100 bro coin. Very well could be. Currently, a 1 year membership milestone, you get airdropped a bro t-shirt. BZFD to be bought out at IPO price, trading under $2 right now. Jacob, I don't know where the IPO price is, BZFD, or if that's realistic, BZFD, the BuzzFeed. Jumping up nicely on the news, man. 124% gain today. My goodness. Ridiculous move higher in BuzzFeed. I do not know where the IPO price was. $10 a share. Was it a SPAC? It may have been, this looks like it was a SPAC and then went public and came back down. I don't know if they're going to get bought out or not. But they do have a lot of resistance in this area. So they may not break through this level today. If they do, dude, you guys could be rolling back up to $3.84 per share. So that's what I'd be watching out. Major level of resistance on that. Got my guy. Oh, Tony D already knows how to eat a banana, man. He already knows. Already did my shit. Raised 8 kids. Joyce! My gosh. Joyce putting in work. 8 kids. That is not easy. Clay teaches how to flip houses. DD214. I don't know if you guys would like my style of flip. I put in a lot of work. Everything. You know how people, like the guys you see on TV that are flipping houses, when they flip a house, man, they go pay to have it done, and then like 4 or 5 months, everything's been worked on, and they contract everything out. That was not my style, not my strategy. I actually did my first house when I think I was like 23, and obviously you're not cash rich when you're 23, but literally I often joke, right, that I started the real estate rebound here in the area. Bought the absolute worst house that you could possibly find in a good neighborhood, right? Absolute worst house that you could possibly find. It was so bad that the guy had an offer on it before I made an offer, and his offer fell through because the bank wouldn't loan on it. So I went in with life savings, right? Went in, you buy the house, renovated the entire thing. Dad taught me everything I know, except for YouTube taught me some stuff, right? But Dad had been doing it his whole life. Fixed that bad boy. It took a long time. Okay, it did take a long time. It took a little over a year. Fixed that house up every single night after work, every single weekend, all weekend long. But yeah, dude, you just learn as you go, man. And you double jump, hit that one, hit another one, and then here we are right now. And trust me when I tell you, there's a lot of equity in this house too. So it is possible, but it's not one of those, glamour stories like, oh man, I had this house for 2 months and contracted everything out, and here we are. I bought it, I paid everybody this and flipped it for a nice 20% profit. Oh man, it was a lot of work. Let's see. Later, bro. Fam. XRP video coming soon. Link will be in the Discord. Very nice, Dark Bro. Which reviews from Shib. Hopefully Shibarium soon, and it is very positive, guys. It is after 1 o'clock. We're gonna be taking off for now. We will be back this afternoon. Please click the like button on your way out if you haven't done so already. Project Moon. Thank you very much for the member chat. Project Moon says, F yeah, I'm a member of the fan club. Boom, baby. Project Moon. We got that 2-month member chat. I love it, man. Project Moon, thank you very much for that member chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Congratulations for being a member for 2 months, man. That is absolutely what I'm talking about. And yes, you do. You are in the fan. You're the bro, man. You are a bro. Project Moon, guys. Shout Project Moon out on the way out. And I'm going to give you guys a shout out in the chat. And I will see you all this afternoon. Dark Bro, man. See you later. J-Bones, Mr. Simon, Next Level, OG, OSSW, Sarah to Steph, 50 Shades of Green, Project Moon, Moji, Sweaty, see you later, Sweaty, Rozzy, man. Dark Bro, Moji, Next Level, Mama Mela, Old Rounder, Project Moon, Moji, Aiden, see you later, Next Level, Mr. 1111, Mr. Wanna, I like it. DD214, man, peace out to you, SD, later to you, Crypto Greg, see you later, Project Moon, 1111, Mr. Wanna, J Bones, oh yes, Mr. Brian, absolutely, see you later, enjoy your day. Anybody else in here right now, Stephanie Bro, Nick F, all you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, KC, say it with me. Until the next time, Crypto Dreamer, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.